So, hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal monthly reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today to from first till the 15th of December. I'm going to tap into a recent past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energies for the first 15 days of December. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Now, if you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want a one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. The link is given in the description box for everything. Now let's start for Sagittarius. The overall energy for Sagittarius people for the first 15 days of December 2024 is, let's see. We have the 10 of cups. You are going to be very focused on family kind of dynamics, creating happy kind of family kind of dynamics, or creating emotional fulfillment, emotional happiness, emotional fulfillment from your side as much as you can. And you're spending time with your family or people who are like family to you. Basically, family is a major point here, focus point here. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, honey. We have the Queen of Cups. So you were in this energy of either keeping your emotions to yourself and or you were busy in self-love, self-care and self-healing. We will clarify this card to get the clear picture. Currently, the Page of Swords, you are detaching yourself from something or someone and you're kind of distancing yourself and learning a lot about this process of detachment. Nice. Noise. By the 15th of December, we have the Three of Pentacles coming together or coming back together, having teamwork, team effort, putting in the effort and energy as a team in something or someone. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups in the recent past for you guys, Sagittarius. We have the King of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So you were ready to make something work out in a very beautiful way, but one energy was ready, one was not ready. So that straight away sent you to this energy of, okay, let me focus on myself, my self-love, self-care, self-healing. Because even if you tried your best to make something work out in a very beautiful way, the other energy was not responding the way you wanted them to respond. So that is why you were not in this giving up attitude. You were not in this attitude of, fuck this, I'm going to work on myself. No, you were like, okay, I gave my best. You had the satisfaction, you had the courage to accept that even if I gave my best, something is not working out. So it's better for me to focus on myself and let me love myself and take care of myself. That was a thing in the past. Current situation, you're learning a lot of new things and you're detaching. You're watching something or someone from a distance, and at the same time, you're learning a lot of things, new things. Maybe online courses or something, or maybe you are learning a lot about yourself by detaching yourself from things or people or situations that's not happy, like making you happy anymore. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Moon, the Ten of Cups. You're learning how not to be scared all the time about love and relationship, about feelings and emotions. Slowly but surely, you are learning how not to be scared all the time when it comes to emotions, when it comes to relationships, any kind of relationships, any kind of emotions, any kind of attachments, any kind of connections. You are learning how to keep yourself in a detached energy and be happy, how not to be scared all the time about this situation, about this kind of dynamics. Yeah. By the 15th of December, we have the Three of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. We have the Two of Pentacles in reverse, the Page of Swords in reverse, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, the cards, some cards are in reverse, so it was meant to be in reverse only. I'm sorry to say. You are going to be fully available from your side in order to make something work out. Fully available from your side. No blockage, no distancing, no ifs and buts, no conflicts, no confusion. No, it's like full on ready to make something work out from your side. Now, if the other energy is going to respond to that or not, that's completely up to them. That's completely a different chapter, Sagittarius. But you are going to be like an open book who is ready to reveal themselves to everybody, who is not scared of relationship, who is not scared of love, who is not scared of failures. You are going to be someone who is going to be like, okay, even if it is not going to work out, I'm going to get a lesson out of that. It's going to be actually a blessing for me to learn a new lesson out of a situation. So you are going to be like an open book who is going to ready to participate in something from your side as much as you can. And the other energy, even if this is something that you are going to do for someone specific or something specific, the other opportunities, other energies are also going to respond, if not the one that you are waiting for or hoping for, because the openness and the fearlessness that you are going to show to the universe, that I don't fear anything or anyone, that is going to be like responded very very beautifully, reciprocated very very beautifully from the universe, and you will definitely get like response and answers. Very good, very very good. The fearless Sagittarius. Wow, like it, love it. Let's see the guidance. I wish I had the courage. Sometimes I also get scared when it comes to emotional bondings. I just accept it in front of you guys. But the fearlessness that you are showing me right now, just keep on holding to that. This is what the universe really wants. Hmm? Wow. Wow, Sagis. You got my heart today. You won me today. Guidance for you, Queen of Swords. But be very, very clear in what you exactly want and how you exactly want it, and what kind of people, what kind of friendships, what kind of connections you want in your life, and what you are ready to put in from your side. Be very clear from your side to everything and everyone, so that the universe can respond to you in a beautiful way. Wow. Keep it up. Congratulations. Congratulations. Keep going. Yeah. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.